G'day everybody, it's Mike, hope you're really well. Had a pretty cool target today that I got to fulfill, and that was to start the bike for the first time. So here we go. In the house, by the way. So we're on. There we go. So the little bugger goes, and now what I've got to try and do is figure out how to get it out of the house. But all the last things I have to do is go over every nut, every bolt, torque everything to specification, split pin everything that needs to be split pinned, and get it ready for the engineers to check it out. And then we've got to register it, so that'll be probably, I don't know, another month away before I do that. But yeah, this thing goes well. So it's so quiet. Really happy. And hey Keith, hey David, how you going? So yeah, the little TS is alive, and I'll see if I can give a little walk around. It's probably hard to see. But yeah, this is it. This is, without a doubt, the newest TS125 on the planet. There's no other bike, unless Suzuki have got one tucked away somewhere, that is as new and it as good as this one. So yeah. Pretty excited. It's been a long journey, but next thing to do is yeah, get it going. And be really good if the air conditioning worked in this unit, because it doesn't, so that's why I'm sort of sweating like a little piglet. But yeah, really happy. Everything works. The tacho works, all the lights work, the high beams light works, indicator lights work. Battery's dead flat, but I can charge the battery up. That's not a big deal. But no fuel leaks, no fuel leaks, no oil leaks from the oil pump, no funny little sparkies from the electrical parts. Everything just worked. So yeah, it looks really good. So now I've got to try and get it out of the unit eventually and make room in the garage, and before Sayuri gets home. So all good. Anyway, have a great day and see you later.